Best 3D Printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max is a fast, precise, and highly capable SLA 3D printer that combines advanced technology with user-friendly operation, making it an excellent choice for professionals, hobbyists, and enthusiasts alike. Its standout feature is automatic resin management, which works seamlessly behind the scenes to simplify the printing process. This allows users to spend less time handling resin and more time enjoying high-quality prints. Whether producing tiny miniatures with intricate details or larger, complex models, the M7 Max delivers exceptional precision, with its light source system capable of handling calibration files down to 10 microns. The printer also supports easy remote monitoring, enabling you to keep track of prints from anywhere, and its build quality ensures reliable performance over long periods of use. Despite these advanced features, the M7 Max remains reasonably priced, offering strong value for both personal and professional projects. Who it's for? Professionals will appreciate the Mono M7 Max for its near-industrial-grade construction, consistent reliability, and ability to produce highly detailed models, making it ideal for rapid prototyping or short-run manufacturing. Enthusiasts and hobbyists benefit from the printer's sub-$1000 price point, innovative resin handling system, and intuitive user interface, which allows seamless transition from setup to finished print with minimal resin interaction. Specs and configurations. 3D printing technology, stereolithography. Materials supported, resin. Number of print colors, 1. Frame design, closed. Maximum build area, 11.7 by 6.4 by 11.8 in. Top print resolution, 10 microns. Interface, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB. Dimensions, 25.7 by 16.7 by 14.3 in. Weight, 52.91 pounds. Warranty, 1 year. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1. The Bambu Lab A1 is the flagship 3D printer from a company recognized for pioneering filament-based multicolor printing. Designed with versatility and ease of use in mind, the A1 offers a 4-color printing capability, a large print bed, and a user-friendly nozzle system that can be switched quickly, all while remaining affordable for its features. Setup is straightforward, allowing both beginners and experienced users to start printing with minimal hassle, and the printer consistently delivers high-quality results. The A1 works seamlessly with Bambu Lab's optional 4-color spool system, available separately for $399 with the base model, or included in the A1 Combo Edition for $559, providing an easy entry into multicolor printing without additional upgrades. Who it's for? Beginners will find the A1 approachable and budget-friendly, with intuitive controls and a straightforward setup process. The A1 Combo version further simplifies multicolor printing, making it easier to explore creative projects right out of the box. Hobbyists and enthusiasts can take advantage of the large build area and reliable print quality to produce both simple and complex designs. Its versatility, combined with Bambu Lab's reputation for innovative filament management, makes the A1 a strong choice for those looking to expand their 3D printing capabilities. Specs and configurations. 3D printing technology, fused filament fabrication, FFF. Materials supported, PLA, PTG, TPU, PVA. Frame design, open. Maximum build area, 10 by 10 by 10 in. Primary interfaces, Wi-Fi, microSD card. Dimensions, 16.93 by 15.16 by 16.14 in. Weight, 18.3 pounds. Warranty, 1 year. The Bambu Lab A1 combines multicolor flexibility, easy operation, and consistent quality, making it a compelling option for both new and seasoned 3D printing enthusiasts. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is an affordable and highly capable 3D printer that makes multicolor printing accessible without breaking the bank. With an inexpensive add-on module, it can print using any or all of 4 different colored filaments, allowing creators to produce vibrant, multicolored designs easily. Despite its compact size, the A1 Mini delivers high-quality prints at impressive speeds, providing consistent results with minimal effort. One of its strongest features is how simple it is to get up and running. Setup is fast, nearly everything comes pre-assembled, and the printer continues to perform reliably throughout each print job, making it ideal for users who want a stress-free experience. Who it's for? Beginners will find the A1 Mini particularly appealing because it is easy to set up, intuitive to operate, and capable of producing polished prints quickly. The combo version we reviewed includes the 4-color add-on module, giving new users a straightforward path to multicolor printing without the need for additional upgrades. Budget-minded hobbyists will also appreciate the A1 Mini, as it delivers an excellent out-of-the-box experience while keeping costs low. At under $400, it is one of the most affordable 4-color FDM, fused deposition modeling, printers on the market, making it an ideal choice for hobbyists who want versatility and quality without spending a fortune. Specs and configurations. 3D printing technology, fused filament fabrication, FFF. Materials supported, PLA, PTG, TPU, PVA. Number of print colors, 4. Frame design, closed. Maximum build area, 70.9 by 70.9 by 70.9 mm. Top print resolution, 100 microns. Interfaces, Wi-Fi, microSD card. Dimensions, 13.7 by 12.4 by 14.4 in. Weight, 12.12 pounds. Warranty, 1 year. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini combines affordability, ease of use, and multicolor flexibility, making it a perfect option for beginners and hobbyists alike. Number 4. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. If you're looking to produce large 3D prints without spending a fortune, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is an impressive option. This open-frame printer stands out in the sub-$500 category by offering a generous build volume that allows for jumbo-sized prints, a feature rarely seen at this price point. In our testing, the Neptune 4 Plus handled over 20 prints with generally very good quality, demonstrating both reliability and precision. While it requires some basic assembly and enough tabletop or bench space to accommodate its size, setup and operation are straightforward, even for newcomers. To get started immediately, make sure to add at least 1 filament spool to your order, or opt for a bundle that includes filament. Who it's for? Beginners will find the Neptune 4 Plus to be an excellent starter 3D printer. Its open-frame design exposes the motors, belts, cables, print bed, extruder, and filament feed, making it easier to understand how 3D printing works. The assembly process itself provides a hands-on introduction to the mechanics, while the printer's ability to create large, high-quality prints helps newcomers feel rewarded quickly. Budget-conscious hobbyists will also appreciate the Neptune 4 Plus, as it delivers a large build area and supports a wide variety of filament types, including ABS, PLA, nylon, PTG, ASA, and TPU without breaking the bank. Specs and configurations. 3D printing technology, fused deposition modeling, FDM. Materials supported, ABS, PLA, nylon, PTG, ASA, TPU. Frame design, open. Maximum build area, 15.2 by 12.6 by 12.6 in. Top print resolution, 100 microns. Interfaces, USB, Wi-Fi. Dimensions, 25.2 by 21 by 22.8 in. Weight, 32 pounds. Warranty, 1 year. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus combines affordability, large-scale printing, and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for beginners and hobbyists on a budget. Number 5. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is an excellent choice for curious tinkerers and beginners seeking an accessible entry point into 3D printing. Building on the strengths of previous Ender-3 models, the V3 offers notable improvements in print speed, auto-calibration, and cooling efficiency, delivering faster and more reliable prints. While it does have some minor drawbacks, such as occasional noise, vibration, and the need to apply glue to the print bed for better adhesion, it remains one of the most capable and budget-friendly 3D printers available. Its compact open-frame design provides an up-close view of the printer's inner workings, allowing users to see the extruder, motors, and print bed in action. Who it's for? Beginners will find the Ender-3 V3 especially appealing, as it combines affordability with ease of use. Its straightforward assembly process, combined with responsive controls and consistent print quality, makes it ideal for someone just starting in the hobby. Watching the printer operate also gives newcomers a practical understanding of how 3D printing works, which can be both educational and rewarding. Budget-conscious buyers will appreciate the Ender-3 V3 for its modest price and compact footprint. It is an excellent option for anyone looking for a primary printer, a backup unit, or a second machine for experimentation. Despite its low cost, it delivers reliable, high-quality prints, making it a standout in the sub-$300 category. Specs and configurations. 3D printing technology, fused filament fabrication, FFF. Materials supported, PLA, TPU, PTG, ABS, PLSEF, PTGCF, CR carbon. Frame design, open. Maximum build area, 7.8 by 7.8 by 9.8 in. Top print resolution, 350 microns. Interface, Wi-Fi. Dimensions, 14 by 14.7 by 19.6 in. Weight, 17.2 pounds. Warranty, 12 months. The Creality Ender-3 V3 balances affordability, ease of use, and solid performance, making it a reliable choice for beginners and budget-minded 3D printing enthusiasts.